In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to circle crop here in Canva. Now, the easiest way to do this is by utilising frames. So what we want to do is come up here to the Elements section, then we can type in frames in the search bar, or if we scroll all the way down to here, this is where we're going to see frames. Now, what we want to use is this circle. Then all we have to do is take our image, which we either uploaded, or if we're using one here in Canva. So let's come back up to recently used. Let me go through some of my pictures just here, which I've recently used, and let's choose this one just here. Now what we can do is just put that onto the canvas and then drag it into the circle. Now what we can also do is just directly grab it and drag from the side straight into the circle as well. Then if we double click on the image, we can then crop to where we want it. So let's put that right in the center. Let's click done. And now we have our image cropped in this circle. Now the great things about using frames is that we can also add a border to this. So if we click onto our image like so, then come up here to the left hand corner and click on border style, we can choose the border that we want like this. Then we can increase that weight to make that border a little bit thicker. And now it just looks slightly better. So that's how to circle crop here in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.